Hey, welcome back everybody to Brudders Art Club. I'm Mr. Derek, children's book illustrator, and today we get to draw a really cool dog in space.
Hey, before we start, I want to give you guys a quick preview of how our drawing turns out at the very end. As you can see, I had a lot of fun with this one. Our imaginations are going to skyrocket up in space as we can add in so many planets to our backgrounds when we're done with our drawing. And we're going to have a lot of fun teaching you how to draw our little space dog here and how to easily draw planet Saturn. Now I used a pencil to draw with, and then I finished off with some markers, but you guys can use whatever you have at home. All right, so grab your paper, grab some pencils, and let's get started. Okay, so step one, we're gonna start with our dog face. So somewhere in the middle of the page is a good place to start. I'm gonna draw the dog nose. So we're gonna just do a nice, kind of like a stretched letter V. We start with that. And then we're gonna go ahead and attach our line at the top to this line. So now we have our dog nose. And then part of the dog's mouth, we'll just keep it very simple, right underneath the nose. We're just gonna do a line that comes right underneath that, just about this far down. And then let's go ahead and put in the dog eyes. And I always like just doing very simple eyes. So on the left side, I'll just do a little circle, almost like a little dot here. And then I'll do one more right here. And then let's go ahead and put in his head. So we will do a nice circle head around our dog. He's very friendly, so we'll make his character shape very round. So I'm gonna just start at the top. I'm gonna keep it just right above his eyes. And I'm gonna come around like so. You can take your time with this, there's no reason to rush. And we're gonna take our pencils, and as we curve around, I'm gonna stop about right here on this side. And then I'm gonna do the same as I come around on this side. Go around his eye. And then stop about right here. And I have a lot of lines that I'm drawing. It's not easy for me to make circles either, but I have an eraser, so I can always erase extra lines that are there if I need to. So don't get discouraged if you have the same amount of lines as I do. We can always fix those things. Okay, and so for the next one, I'm gonna add actually a little dog spot, something I know I'm gonna color later. And I'm gonna just draw just a simple little circle around this part of his eye. Now this doesn't need to be exact circle, because I just know I'm gonna color this probably a nice brown and leave the rest of him white, just for me. So just a little feature for our dog character. And then I'm gonna add in some ears, and since we're in space and we have no gravity, everything floats up in the air. So we're gonna have his little ears. It's kind of a little dog. We're gonna have them pointing up. So I'm gonna do this little one here on this side. And then I'm gonna do the same one on this side. All right, cool. And then for the body, we'll keep this very simple for you guys. On our right side here, I'm gonna just draw a line that's gonna come down about this far. He doesn't have a very big body, so we're gonna keep it very short. And then on this side, I'm gonna do the same direction, going the opposite way. And I'm gonna go about as far as I did here. So I'm just gonna judge by my eye, about right there, I'm gonna stop. And then while I'm drawing this, I'm actually gonna just draw in one of his legs or arms, whatever you prefer. And I'm just gonna curve our spacesuit up just a little bit so we can kind of see that arm there. And then to finish off some of his legs here, we'll come back to where we started here. And I'm gonna do his first little leg. Again, this is just a spacesuit, so everything's very easy and round. We're gonna round about this far up. I'm gonna go over to the left with just a line. And then I'm gonna make the same shape. So this is his other leg. And then I'm just gonna continue this line going back up under his arm. That's cool. And then let's go ahead and add in his last arm. I'm gonna have his arm actually going up, almost like it's touching his space helmet. So I'm gonna start right here, and I'm gonna go up just a little, because I don't wanna run into his face too much. And then I'm just gonna curve, since all of our arms and legs are curving. I'm going to curve down and almost back to where we started right there. So a nice curved shape for his arm. And then since we have a little dog, I'm going to do a little tail. So his tail will maybe be sticking out of his spacesuit in the back. And it's just going to be a nice curved shape, almost like a smile. And then we're going to just come around and go right back into that suit. All right, and now my favorite part, the space helmet. So we can think about this as being very clear, almost like it could be made out of glass. And so we're going to do a nice circle that's going to go around his whole head. I'm going to start right next to our arm, and I'm going to keep it very close to our character. You guys can do a bigger circle if you like, if you want to give him a big helmet or a space helmet. And I am going to take my time, and I'm going to just go around and make sure I get his ears in there. I'm going to go all the way around to the other side. Again, I'm just kind of flicking my pencil because sometimes it's hard to make a perfect circle. I don't even think that exists. So we're going to just do our best with some line work, and we're going to curve our pencils back. And right when we get to his arm, we'll just stop. So we're going to try to almost match where we started here. And that way his arm looks like it's right in front of a space helmet. Oh, I love this character. All right, and so let's add some cool details to his spacesuit. So right underneath his space helmet, I'm going to draw just a nice curved line right here, almost like his space helmet is connected to his suit. And then I'm going to do some curved lines around his arm. So one here, one here. Do the same for this arm. Going to just curve around the end of his arm. And I'm going to do the same thing for his legs. So I'm going to curve this way and curve this way. And then the same thing here. And then I'm actually going to add almost like a zipper, like that's how he got in his suit. Just a nice curved line going right down through the middle. And then I have a little room here on the left. I want to give him like a little patch, like a space patch. And since he's up in space, I'm going to just do a nice little star shape here. Maybe that's one he's up there looking for. Maybe he's searching for a new star. So that's his patch. All right, we have our dog Astronaut here. He's in space. This is really cool. And before I let you guys go and have a lot of fun time putting in some planets, this is a space scene, so your imagination could really go wild here. I'm going to show you how to draw one of my favorite planets, which is Saturn. Saturn is very unique. It's a round-shaped planet, but it has such a massive ring wrapped around it. And I've always loved it since I was a kid, fascinated by how cool the shape was. So we will try to draw that here next. And then from there, you guys can just go ahead and fill in the rest with your imagination. This will be a lot of fun. So anywhere on your page, wherever you like, I'm going to just draw a nice circle shape. This is going to be our planet, Saturn. And then to make it easy for just a nice ring that goes around our planet, think about the letter C. So if we're going to take a letter C like this, but then we're going to turn it on its side. So from the middle of our planet, I'm going to start going to the left, and then I'm going to curve like a C around and then back over again to this side. So that's going to be the first part of the ring. And then we're going to repeat that. So we're going to start very close to where we started. I'm going to come out a little bit further to the left because now we're doing the big part of the ring. And I'm going to wrap my pencil around all the way, just like we did the first shape, and then back to the other side. So it looks like we have a really cool ring wrapping around our planet. And then when you're done, you can go ahead and easily take our erasers and we can erase the planet that's going inside the ring. And if you need some extra time on your ring, you can always erase a little bit of that and you can fix that as well. But that is an easy way of drawing Saturn. All right, you guys, we did it. We have our dog in space. He's got his astronaut helmet and spacesuit on. We even learned how to draw Saturn, one of my favorite planets. And now I'm excited because there's so many planets and stars out there in our universe. You guys can come up with whatever comes to mind and really have fun with this. I think I'm gonna put in some more planets in the background, maybe a shooting star. I may even put planet Earth back there somewhere because it's always fun to color. So I encourage you guys to do the same. Use your imagination, have a lot of fun with this one, and I can't wait to get started. So remember, we're always gonna fast forward this part, so you guys can always pause the video right now, take time, have some fun with your space background, and I'll see you guys at the very end. Hey guys, we did it. We finished our dog in space, and this thing came out so cool. I especially love that I got to add in so many planets in our space scene here with Saturn that we got to draw together, and even have a really cool shooting star going over our space dog. I hope you guys had a lot of fun with this as well. Remember, you guys can always pause the video right now to match some of the same coloring that I did, but I encourage you guys to do it any way you want. Have fun exploring your universe.
Well, that's the end of our video. Thank you guys so much for always watching. I had a blast showing you how to draw our dog in space today. And I hope your imagination went wild like mine did when we got to add in all those extra cool planets to your background. Can't wait to show you the next one, so stay tuned. So until next time, I'll see you all later.